So guys, on the left side we have the upper part of the app and on the right side we have the bottom part. Now suppose you want to blur the number plate from this video. For that, look for effect, Gaussian blur, back to the main timeline, resize and reposition the blur area, give the effect layer same length as the original video clip. Now look for transform, scroll down, adjust the blur area properly as you like, move forward slowly, make a keyframe by tapping on this icon, reposition the blur area, again move forward, reposition. Sometime if you have hard time to positioning your new keyframe, like here, pinch out to zoom into timeline, then position the new keyframe. Suppose we are done with our keyframing. Now select properties, adjust the blur strength, and we are done. Also we can change the blur area shape and feather. Let's see what we have. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.